Welcome friends. In this tutorial, we will learn how to format our text and characters. So to format characters, we have special tags like a font tag, emphasis tag, strong tag, center tag and special characters. So we will see how to utilize these all tags in our HTML document. So let's see first font tag. Font tag is used to set the various font properties. So let's see use of font tag. This is the syntax for writing font tag. Now I want to display this is formatting and I have to complete this font tag. In font tag I have to pass the attribute which we want to set. For example, I want to set color, then I have to pass color as attribute and value in this attribute. I want to set color as red, so I am giving this input. I can also give size in the font tag. I want to give size is equal to 3. We can give size in font tag 1 to 7. So let's see the output. We can see font is formatted using the color red. We can see when we have increased the size of the font, then size will be automatically increased in our document. So this is the font tag. Now let's see another tag, which is the emphasize tag, is used to give the emphasis to the text. So let's see the use of emphasize. We have written emphasize tag and completed emphasize tag. To write the strong text, strong tag is used. So let's write the strong tag. We must have to complete all these tags. If you want to write a strike through text, then strike tag is used. Similarly, we can give bold, italic and underline effect. So let's write text in bold. B tag is used to give the bold. Similarly, I tag for italic and U tag for underline. Now let's run this. We are reloading. We can see emphasize text is displayed in emphasize. This is the effect of strong. Strike through text contains a line in strike. We can see there is a problem in ending the strike through. So let's correct it. We must have to complete strike, otherwise strike through effect will be continued. Reload it. We can see effect is removed. Bold tag is displayed by bold. Italic text is displayed in italic and underlining underline. Now let's quickly discuss about subscript and superscript and special characters. What will you do when you want to print the characters less than or greater than, which is actually used in writing or tags? For that, special characters like LT, which is defined by ISO, is used. For example, I want to display less than ampersand LT is used. It will display less than sign. Similarly, greater than is also used. Now I want to give subscript or superscript. Then sub and super tag is used. Super tag, I want to give health square. Then super tag is used. I have to complete super tag. Let's check it. You can see this less than is printed using LT, which is a special character, and health square is displayed by using super tag. Similarly, we can give subscript also using the sub. So this is all about character formatting. Thank you.